What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. You know, I've been getting this video or this request for this video a long time. You know, everybody has different strategies, I guess, and maybe people just want to get my input or my feedback on how I go about it. But this will be kind of a lacing tutorial, how to lace your Kyrie 7s. It's kind of self-explanatory, but then again, people do different things. So I'll show you guys maybe one or two different options that I know about with the 7s, how I usually do it. And let me know if this is something that you guys do with yours, or I don't know, give me some feedback. Of course, I'm curious to see how this comes out because I don't know, we're gonna see. People have been asking for it, so we're gonna go ahead and lace it up. I am using the Kyrie 7 alternate weatherman, super fire shoe. We do have a full review on the channel. If you guys want to check it out, go ahead, and I should be putting a card up and you guys can go ahead and check it out for yourself. But without further ado, we're just gonna lace these shoes up and I'm gonna just explain what I'm doing and how I go about it. So without further ado, let's dive in, you dig? If you like what you see, smash the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, like I said, you can do it how you want to each is your own. You know, I'm gonna use these Volgreen laces because I want to do a lace swap also. So I'll do a brighter lace so that way you guys can see it go through holes and everything, you feel me? So we got this first lace lock or lace port or anklet right here with the all-seeing eyes. You guys can see right there on that. Pretty dope detail to it. You know, Kyrie and them always has the symbols going on. So what I'm gonna do is pull my lace through here and then even them out and then proceed through the rest of the shoe. What I mean by that is, what I mean by evening it out is something that a lot of people do when they lace their shoes. When you put that first hole in, you got to make sure the laces are even in order for it to show up even at the end of your lacing situation. So let me pull that through, sit it down, pull it through, pull it all the way to the top. You want to make sure that the tips are evenly reaching. So I just pull it a little bit more this way. Excuse me. Pull it a little more this way. Try to make these things even. So now when I stretch them out, they both even up to be like this. Let's see if I can pull it like that. Let's see so you guys can see. See, when I pull them as far as they can go, they both even up, right? So now when I'm lacing through the rest of the shoe, my laces will evenly hang on the side. So there's really like two ways to lace them up from what I've been noticing. If there's a different way, let me know. But some people make it really tight and some people make it loose for casual wear or for hooping. I'm somebody who wears the Kyries for casual wear. I haven't hooped in a minute. And these have been a true to size for me. I have more of a narrow foot. If you have a wide foot, you might have to go up a half a size. I've heard some people say that, but I've also heard other people say they can go true to size in this shoe. It's really up to what type of style of foot you have, you know what I mean? So make sure if you have an opportunity, even if it's not this shoe and it's the one you want, when you go to a store, go ahead and try on the shoe just so you guys can get a feel for what the shoe does for you. So at first, you know, it would be definitely awkward to go straight there. So you just kind of go straight through this first, they call them fingers. This first finger on this side, you just pull the lace through. This is part of, you know, getting rid of the straps. They added these things here. Some people really like the straps on the past Kyrie, on the Kyrie 6. There were some people who did because the strap was a little bit too short. It's kind of more of a preference thing. So you pull that through there. So that pulls down pretty clean already right there on that, right? Hopefully you guys are able to see it. Boom. And then I take this side, do the same thing, pull it through this first finger on this side. Pull that all the way through. Take your time with it if you want to make sure your laces are looking even and clean. You know, lay it flat. So now you're kind of, this is the first beginning of your lace locking in your feet as opposed to there being a strap over. So once I go through that, then you take the lace and, I mean, if you want to be real relaxed, you can go straight through here and not even use this part and then crisscross. But that looks a little weird. Let me show you guys what that looks like really quick. You can skip right over this and go over to this side. This is if lacing it all the way up is too snug for you. But then again, it's like you should just use this spot right here. You know what I mean? It kind of goes over that, and it does look kind of ugly. It's not always about the look, but that just doesn't look right. That's why I'm glad they put this here to clean it up. Going from here to there, it's like a cleaner look, you know what I mean? But like I said, to each his own. You can have it on top of it or through it, which is what I'll show you the example of the next one. All right, boom. I think it just looks cleaner going through what's set here for you, and then push that through. Luckily for you guys, they do come laced, but sometimes people want to, you know, do a little different. And see, it would cause like a little conflict there too. That's why you would like to both, I recommend going through this lace area here. Because to skip up and then start going over, it's really no point to do that, you know what I mean? So just use what they gave you and pull it through. Boom. Boom. Right. Get your laces together. So this is more of the snug fit. Why does it feel so different? This is the way it goes though. Push them through. You can rotate it around to make your laces lay flat the way you like them to. But like I said, this lacing area is pretty secure. Get my laces turned around. I want it to look presentable, right? So that right there is pretty snug. Almost gives you the feel of what a strap would do, but it's just a little lower in your foot or more towards your toe, as opposed to where the strap on a Kyrie 6 was back here. Let me show you. My bad, just wanted to grab a Kyrie 6 to show you. Let me pull this back. So yeah, you guys can see the strap was right above where these are. See, these are a little bit lower. Down here was just these two things, which almost resembled that, but they exaggerated here to make up for the strap that's not there. The strap would have been right above here, you know what I mean? So that's a pretty little thing. Like I said, man, some people didn't like the strap on the 6 because of the fraying of the lace. You guys can see that fraying of the lace. A lot of people did not like that. I didn't mind it so much because the way I laced it up, I didn't mind it too much, and I didn't wear it for hooping, but I could totally understand why people didn't like it. So back to this lacing. So once you go from there, you got that there, then you just swool this over, boom. And I'm glad I did use these laces so that way you guys can clearly see how it goes. Flip them around as you like to. A very comfortable shoe, easy to put on and off. You can definitely wear it casual, and you can definitely wear it to hoop in and feel like, like I said, this is gonna be the way that you would lace it if you were hooping in them. Most of the time, like, whenever I lace it, like I said, I haven't hooped in the 7s, but whenever I lace them, I don't lace it like this because I'm gonna be hooping. It's probably the best option, which is just pretty much utilizing all of the lace, the accolades. Okay, so you got that. Then you got 2 more accolades up here with the one capping up top. Put that through there. Like I said, this can be a very snug fit if you want it to be, or it can be a very loose fit. Like this right here, you'll still feel some good support, some great support actually, for your whole foot and ankle. They have this extra part going up for your Achilles and giving you some good ankle support up here. And you'll have some good sturdy ankle support if you leave this one anklet open, But if you really want that max support, which most people do when they're hooping, you would want to tie it all the way up to the top and give yourself that full lockdown, because like I said, you already have all this support up here. Then to go all the way up to the lace, this whole thing, your ankle's just in this area right here. Not a lot of room to move. It's just, based on this material, how much your ankle would move. But I've heard great things about these for the court. And then the other thing that's dope, so this goes up very high, got the extra protection for your ankle and Achilles. But then over here too, you'll notice that there are, this tongue is locked in with the elastic, like with the material, it's in there. So you got the ankle support from this band plus plus the foot ankle support with that band, plus you got these fingers here to really lock your feet in. Then if you lace your shoe all the way up to the top, that's extra support. So these things are great, especially you got to understand Kyrie is somebody who moves a lot, very shifty. He needs to have a lot of different type of support for his foot no matter where it goes. So I think they executed this correctly. This is one way you can lace them, and this is probably the best way to lace them if you are hooping. Now let me just show you the more relaxed way that I do. Hopefully this video is not too long. If you enjoy it, smash the like button. So usually when I wear these, like I said, I wear them for casual wear, so I tend to just like to loosen them up. I like to have my laces hang as long as I want them to be, and usually I don't want them hanging at all on the floor. So after that, I just pull out and have it to where it only hangs as low as I want it to hang, which is usually probably like right around here, nowhere near the ground at all. You know what I'm saying? You got a lot of space, a good amount of space from here to the floor, probably about an inch. You know what I mean? So yeah, do that, pull that down a little bit, and then just carry it on around. Make it loose to the rest of your laces. You already got where you don't want it to go past, and when you do this, you should be able to slide them on a little bit more too. And it really gives your foot some breathing room, some relaxed fit. You know, you could pull it if you want it to be a little boom. You know, it just really depends on how you want to rock it with your Kyrie, how loose you want to rock the fit. Just loosen them up a little bit more, and you know, very comfortable, secure. But of course, you can always just not have those there, and then just really loosen them up for the rest of your look. But that right there is just, I think that's a lot on it. Very extra. Read all about it. But sometimes you might want to be like that. You might want to be extra relaxed fit. You know what I mean? With feel. You want to feel like they're on your feet, but not on your feet at the same time. You know what I mean? And then this way, you're gonna have to, at that point, do something with your laces, because you don't want them dragging on the feet like on the floor like that. Then your laces just all messed up. So you want to adjust it the same way. Wow, right? Boom, 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 boom. Let me know out there who's wearing their Kyries for casual wear and who wears them this loose. I normally never do that. I think that's kind of sloppy looking. But this, depending on your style, you know what I mean? Depending on how much more. Maybe I need to even it out a little something. I don't know. It's kind of, that's the most relaxed you'll get on a Kyrie 7, you know what I mean? But let me know other two lacing options. Which one would you guys go with? More of the super casual, or you guys more of the secure for your feet type? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. It's your boy Bossco. More videos to come. If you guys like this Kyrie 7, let me know also. Smash the like button, man. Share the video, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.